This is the Tiny House Chronicles. Hello from Taos, New Mexico.
Yeah!
Today we are staying in one of the most unique tiny homes we've ever been to.
The owner, Keith, built his entire place out of an old shipping container.
This tiny home is located just a few minutes outside of Taos in El Prado, New Mexico. We found it on Airbnb. It's called the Shipping Container Home with Mountain Views. But the owner and builder, Keith, has named this masterpiece the Steel Pueblo. The Steel Pueblo has been made to put a modern spin on the historic Pueblo houses. To pay homage to the earth-colored adobe of the Pueblo homes, Keith has allowed the Corten steel exterior to rust naturally over time.
Hi, welcome to Taos, New Mexico. Come on in. Oh, sorry. Come on in.
The container has an open floor plan, so it was surprisingly spacious inside. It is thoughtfully decorated, the bed was incredibly comfortable, and we felt right at home.
This tiny home is amazing. We are loving it.
Always I remember your bad dress and how you turned my mind completely into such a mess. So easily. And it really came as no surprise. You look beyond comparing every time that
We had such an amazing time enjoying the inside of this space, and on top of that, this tiny house sits on 2 acres of land with a view that was to die for.
I know it. If I could only be some kind of poet. If I could have my way with words, if only for a day, I would tell you what I feel to know it.
Snowy boy.
Keith is also the owner of Boma Properties, a manufacturing company that specializes in building customized, livable shipping containers.
Boma Properties works directly with its customers to help them build their own boutique lodging experiences. We will never forget our stay at the Steel Pueblo. Keith has also been kind enough to offer a discount to our viewers when you mention the Tiny House Chronicles when booking on Airbnb.
Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you guys get the chance to spend a weekend at this magical container home in the mountains too.
You ever get caught up in the everyday chaos and everything that life throws at you, and you kind of forget why you love life and why life is so beautiful until something reminds you? This is that something. Hello, wait, what are you doing? That was like way too aggressive.